Hey, I'm Dear Tabby3. I am pretty new to Blender, but if you're new as well, then this tip might help you. Uh, so I'm going to be showing you how to recalculate the outside, and to see if that needs to be done on your project, select Face Orientation and Viewport Overlays, and you can see the red is on the outside when it should actually be on the inside of your project. So I'm going to take both of these objects into my edit mode. I'm going to select all of the things, and then I'm going to go to my quick favorites because I put it there. And so I'm going to put recalculate the outside. And so now the red is on the inside of the objects. To do it without a quick favorite, you would just see it's back on the outside again. So you select it. Go to Mesh, Normals, Recalculate the outside. Alright, and that's all I wanted to show you. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a good day. Good luck with your projects. Meow.